unboxing the trash series and series 1, series 2.
Sadly, the nagging one speaks the truth. Most kids do not
Let's
appreciate
start
secret
unboxing the trash
bouncing on
series
the
2.
moon or fire-breathing squids who eat people. I guess
And
I'm
now just look at the big cam. Look who we got!
Who is that?
I don't know.
Oh, can you back it up a little bit? Oh, yes, I see.
Oh, we got smelly onion!
Oh, the smelly onion. That's one of my favorites. Maybe we should turn the TV off, honey.
Why?
And then you can pay attention to your video you're making.
That's why I turned the TV off.
Great.
We got Gobbles! Gobbles the turkey. Gobbles the turkey.
Gobbles the turkey. Okay. Who else do we have?
I have to know them up. We got Rotten Roller Blade. We got Rotten Roller Blade.
Rotten Rollerblade.
What else we got? We got the pumpkin guy.
Oh, yes, the pumpkin guy.
Awesome. This beats in yours dad on that video, and because you like him so much, it's funny, and I'm the kid.
Okay.
So you got this.
Okay.
We got the pumpkin. Cool. Wait. This time I get to hold the camera. Oh. Yeah, this time I get to hold the camera.
Well, I'm recording you. Show us what's in the trashies, in the garbage cans.
You are doing it.
Oh, Mama doesn't want to be on a video, honey.
I'm all done with it.
You are? Okay, well, I'm going to stop this one.
Bye.
If you're all done with this one.
I'm starting it over with you. I pressed it.
Okay, so today is looking at some of our trash pack trashies. Grossest gang that lives in your garbage. So we're going to open some of these garbage cans, and we have an assortment of trashies here from Series 1, Series 2, and Series 3. So, let's start with a small can over on this side.
No, start with the big hand.
Big can, sure.
Mom, you move the blanket, get the blanket off the couch. So, this is done.
Okay. So, we have a bunch of trashies in here. We have Junkosaurus.
No, start with the big hand.
This is the big can, honey.
Oh, now do
Okay,
the
so
next.
Junkosaurus. We
I-
have this grizzly bear.
No, his name is Junked Bear.
Junked bear.
Junk Bear.
Okay, junked bear. We
Now.
have what appears to be a stinky roller skate.
No, rollerblade. Hey, what are these fingers doing?
Here is a turkey.
A turkey. You got Gobbles.
Gobbles. This, maybe a dishwasher.
He is.
Or a washing machine.
He's a dishwasher.
Washer. A pumpkin.
He's my favorite.
Oh, yes.
The orange one.
Oh, the smelly onion. This is one of my favorites.
I like him too.
Some kind of slug, some sort of slimy little creature. Ooh, here's another little creature. I don't know what he is supposed to be.
Ow. Meat eater.
An oil can.
Yeah, I love him.
Chair.
I like that guy.
I do too. Ooh, and a three-eyed monster.
I like him too.
Okay, so that's what we have in the big garbage can. Let's look at some of these other garbage cans. Oh, we have the blue version of the crying smelly onion.
Mom, hold it down a little bit.
Okay.
I'm holding it like this.
Okay, we have the squid.
Ooh, squid.
Puss Plop.
Press pop. You're getting close to moldy mushroom.
The moldy mushroom.
You got moldy mushroom. That's my favorite. Mom, hold it down a little bit.
There appears to be a
No, hold it up because
grill
I'm.
or maybe a blaster.
Hold it up because I'm doing this.
Right here. You need to. Okay, that works.
What?
And next we have the dog.
Ooh, the dog. I put him in.
What's his name?
I don't know. I don't even. Mom, is this an easier way to sit down on the carpet? To sit down and do
Well,
this?
can you see me on the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, then that works.
But hold it up a little.
Yeah. Here's the television. Oh, here is the stinky crying onion again. Do we have two of them? Oh, they're a little bit different. I think one is supposed to be garlic and one is onion.
He's the pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Oh, okay. And
He's sick
last
pumpkin.
but not least, the camera.
That's why I did that. So
All right, and that's all that we're showing you today. We
now,
have a bunch of
now
other
what you
scratching.
press?
You press the same button again, and that will stop it, hon.